License and registration. Do you know how fast you guys are going? This is a $2 off coupon for bacon strips. You know what the penalty is for trying to bribe an officer? Don't tell me you weren't going too fast. I saw you. You passed a Greyhound back there. All right. Record's clean. Looks like your owner hasn't ever gotten away with a ticket before, so I'm going to let you off with a warning. Slow it down. The engineering department screwed up once again. Most of the time they do a pretty good job, but this time it's a little irritating. I don't have quite enough clearance on my roof lights, so I'm going to be going to some super low profile LEDs and getting rid of the factory Dodge ones, but there is very little room up there to work and take the screws out, and it just seems like a hassle. I don't have time for that kind of mess, so I need my finesse tool. Where's the finesse tool? Oh, it's right there. Let's see if we can't screw something up. I figured they'd put up more of a fight, but 93 plastic doesn't exactly hold together well. It's just a touch brittle. I was working on the boot in between the cab and the camper. Flat aluminum bar, riveting it around with rubber roofing material. It's really soft and flexible. That way the joint can flex a little between the body and the camper. But I ran out of aluminum, so I can't even finish it. So it's May and it's still snowing in Colorado. The original shifter is cute, but we can do a little better than that. Added 10 inches, so it's just above the dash. And perfect now. Plus, I think somebody's ranch seal is in the shift knob there. Solar panels are on. One small thing off my list. Yeah, ready to make some power. They're very well used, but they still work really good. Mary doing a little sealing work, a little cleanup work, and standing on the hood of trailer truck. Good old steel. Got these little LED touch lights off of eBay, super cheap. They are really low profile, so it's great for a couple of spots that I got going here. I'm going to put one of them up above the bunk, and I just installed another one in the slide out here. That all you got to do is touch the outer ring of it, and they're bright too. They're really, turn this light down. Yeah, all you got to do, touch the little side of it, nice and bright. So, is it the blue wire or the other blue wire?
What? A minute ago you said blue. Did I say blue? Riggs, you said blue.
Don't shake your head. Which one? What's the worst that could happen?
Grab the cat. Grab the cat.
Get back! Take back!
almost lost it.